What's going on, everybody? My name is Jay Severts, and welcome to the channel. If you're new, if you're subscribed, thanks for coming back for another video. And I just want to say that today's video is going to be great. All right, so in today's video, we're going to talk about real estate, and I'm going to give you guys a rundown of just pretty much a basic understanding of real estate and how it is the largest industry in the United States. So an overview, okay? According to Oxford, real estate is property consisting of land or buildings, but that's too basic. I want to bring you guys to context. So according to Wikipedia, they actually have a better definition. According to Wikipedia, real estate is real property consisting of land and the buildings on it, along with its natural resources such as crops, minerals, or water, a movable property of this nature. Also an item of real property, more generally, buildings or housings in general. Real estate accounts for 13% of the national United States GDP, and it has a $1.8 trillion contribution to the GDP. And if you don't know what GDP is gross domestic product, okay? And what that means is the total value of goods and services provided by one country in 1 year. It's all added up and it's all summarized as GDP, which is gross domestic product. And now I know you're wondering, like, dang, like real estate, like the industry is that big? Yes. Real estate adds to the economy in two ways. The first way real estate adds to the economy is consumer spending. And this is pretty much when a business must pay rent to the landlord. For example, you know, Chase Bank, they're operating out of a building in downtown. They have to pay rent to operate in that building to the landlord who owns the office building. Or for example, you know, if your barber he's working out of a shopping strip, he has to pay rent, or the owner of the shop has to pay rent to the landlord to operate out of that building, okay? Or for example, just paying rent for the apartment you live in. That's all examples of consumer spending. The other half of real estate that adds to the economy is residential investment. It includes anything like, you know, construction on new housing units, broker fees, which are the fees real estate agents take off of the transaction for commission. You know, that's how they make their money. And residential remodeling. So when you watch those HGTV shows and you see like the Love It or Listeds and the fix and flips, you know, they're remodeling these properties to add to the value and, you know, make a profit off of that. As of 2017, the real estate industry is responsible for employing more than 1.8 million people, which helps drive economic growth. Even though the United States population growth is trending downwards, people will always need a place to live and businesses will always need a place to operate. So as far as I see it, real estate isn't going anywhere. And if you want an example on how powerful the real estate industry is, okay, let's go back in time to 2008, okay? That's when the economic recession happened and the real estate bubble popped, okay? And millions of people were out of jobs and the stock market just went down. It was chaos, okay? So that's how powerful the real estate industry is and how much it contributes to our economy. If you're interested in learning more about the real estate industry, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, but mainly hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so that you may be notified when I post new real estate videos. With that being said, the real estate business is a great business. I mean, it gives opportunity to investors to capitalize on, you know, various opportunities in it, but also it gives people a place to stay. And who doesn't want a place to stay? So real estate is beautiful. That just about wraps up the video. I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video again. And I love you, and I wish nothing but the best for you in your life and your everyday activities. Stay blessed.